Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Subaru Outback Touring. You see it's ridiculously clean. Metallic flakes in the paint. Alloy wheels with black accents. You have chrome there along the floorboards. And you have a luggage rack that goes the distance. Take you for a little tour of the interior. There's a brown leather. With wood accents. Actually show you. These seats that do fold down. You can see it has this rubber backing that's been added and gives you a very durable surface to work with and a lot of space there. You got your charging ports. Spoiler with a brake light and a spoiler. This is an all-wheel drive as well. Those LEDs don't really flicker to the human eye. It's just the refresh rate on the camera that's got that going on. Here's the VIN. Subaru branding there. Driver presets, the Harman Kardon sound system. Coming in here, we'll go ahead and turn this down. And we'll also turn down the fan speed so you can hear me better. There we go. While we're here, I can just show you the home screen. Here you have your map. And then we were on the radio screen that showed you that you were on AM, FM, and XM. Then there are other apps that you can work with. Okay. So to see the backup camera, we just put it in reverse. There we go. Here's a shifter. You see that it also has a manual setting. And we'll get to that in a second. Also, here's your X mode, your other terrain shifters. You have your other power supplies right in here. You have your pinhole leather. Up here you have your sunroof. Come down here and see that you have 11,546 miles on this vehicle. Here are your interactions with your stereo and your lane avoidance sensor, or your lane departure sensor, and your cruise control, your volume, your push to talk, so you can be totally hands-free. You also have your push button ignition, and you also have your paddle shifters. So I was talking about the manual setting as well right here. That would go along with that. And then this particular vehicle does have a branded title. There was a front end collision. As you can see, we've gotten it all fixed up. It has passed our 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. Overall, a very clean car. So for more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.